Imagine waking up to see your bank balance double, not by luck, but by tapping into the new AI wealth revolution. Right now, people who understand this shift are quietly building fortunes, while others are still scrolling past it. So, how exactly are they doing it? The AI gold rush. We're living through one of the biggest economic transformations in history, the AI revolution. From automation to generative models and machine learning, technology is rewriting the rules of money, and those who adapt early are making life-changing income. But this isn't about being a coder. It's about recognizing the systems that make AI profitable. 3 proven ways people are making money with AI. 1. AI content creation and monetization. AI produces viral YouTube videos, blog posts, ad scripts, and audiobooks. Creators use ChatGPT-style tools to produce high-volume content, rank it with SEO, and monetize through ads and affiliate links. 2. AI tools and automation services. You don't have to build from scratch. White label AI tools or automate business processes for others. Smart entrepreneurs resell access to AI systems and charge recurring subscriptions. 3. Investing in AI startups or tokens. Early-stage AI or blockchain projects offer tokens and equity with explosive growth potential, but always research because real utility wins over hype. Out of these 3 paths, content creation, AI tools, or investing, which one do you think has the biggest long-term potential? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'll be replying to the most insightful answers. How to get started today. 1. Pick your niche. Focus on a single AI sector: writing, art, voice, automation, or trading. 2. Create a simple offer. Build a small AI-driven product, service, or digital asset you can monetize quickly. 3. Promote and scale. Use content marketing, SEO, and automation to reach more users and grow passive income. 4. Reinvest and diversify. Once you see profit, reinvest into new AI projects or marketing campaigns. Pitfalls to avoid. Don't chase every trend. Focus on real solutions. Don't ignore marketing. Even great AI ideas fail without visibility. And don't give up too soon. AI wealth is about strategy, not speed. AI is not the future. It's the present wealth engine. The question is, will you ride the wave or watch it pass? If you're ready to master wealth strategies that actually work, subscribe to Wealth in Billions and turn on notifications. This is where we reveal the money moves of tomorrow today.